Final. It drives straight to the bowler. That's a dot ball which was needed by Chennai Rhinos. Every dot ball adds some kind of pressure onto the batting side.
Shantanu has bowled quite well. He's into his last over, has given away only 17. He's stuck to a wicket-to-wicket line. Hardly any pace. He gives some room. It's in there. And there is a fielder. They'll go for the double. Will they go again? Yes. They get for the third and they complete it quite easily. So things not going the Rhinos' way. Extremely responsible stuff in the deep by the fielders. This is what happened. The throw was right in the center of the stump. Ramanna was struggling with his injury. He couldn't collect it properly. And they saw that opportunity and they ran through for the third one.
Just a little bit about their fitness. Was there a nick? They're asking for it. Was there a nick? The bowler and the fielders are going up.
So do we see another drama here? The original decision is not out. It has been. We need to look at the deviation of the bat. Any edge? Can't make out from here. Is there any sound? Need to raise the volume to hear that. This will give us a better picture. Can see any movement from the seam also? I don't think so. I think decision will stay. It's Chennai Rhinos review. They had to go for this. They were so confident. The wicketkeeper, the bowler and the fielders. The decision has to be conveyed by the third umpire to the main umpire because it is a review. So the decision stays.
Karthik survives, and with that, Karnataka Bulldozers hope survive. Nice to see Vishal, the captain of Chennai Rhinos, still smiling.
He thinks he was out. That's what's indicating. I thought he heard the nick, but that wasn't the case. Shantanu again bowled well in this over. Full toss. Oh, he's dropped it. Oh God, he's dropped it straight into the hands of Shantanu. It came out.
He wasn't expecting that return catch. Bowled a low full toss, hit straight back to him, and a relatively simple chance, but he grasped it. Got to expect those coming back to you, but nevertheless, he's bowled a dot ball for his side. This time he clips towards mid-wicket. He needs to pick up cleanly and throw it to the keeper end. He does it well. Restricts the batsman only to one.
They are still not out of woods here, the Bulldozers. They need 19 to win from 13 deliveries. And many a times you have seen strange things happen in match in this kind of a game. Tries to go for the big shot, doesn't connect well. They go again. There's a chance of a run out. No, he completes it quite easily. So the fielding doesn't look very good here. 17 now needed from 12 deliveries. 145 for 3.
Every run is extremely valuable tonight.